Do you have a 04 to 08 F150 and you bought it used or got it abandoned and you don't know what that code is? Well, I'll tell you the best way to get it. Go ahead and pop this door open and you're going to take this rear seat out. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but right behind the rear seat, back here behind the carpet, it's actually printed what that code is. So let's get to it. So there's definitely a few things we need to do. We might have to take this off, but first we're going to take this off. Get a small screwdriver, pop this cap off, and then there's going to be two 10mm bolts underneath. Or you can just take it off because this truck seems to be missing everything. So there we go. Now, I have seen some videos where some guys will take their hand and arm and shove it back in here. I can't do that. My hands are too big. So I think we're going to have to take this pillar off. It looks like you're going to take off this little cap here. There's probably a bolt under there. We're going to have to take this seat belt loose, and then we should be able to pop this whole thing out. So this is a T50. We'll take that out. I went ahead and popped this little cap out, and the bolt's missing like everything else on this truck. So I guess we don't have to worry about that. It was probably a 10 mil. Now that that seat belt's off, you just grab at the top of this and pull out. This will all pop out. It's got a couple clips in it, and just pull it all down. Now that that's out of our way, it looks like we'll have more room to fish our hand back here and grab that lever. I'm going to be doing this blind, so I can't really show you until I get it off, and then I'll try to explain how I got it off.
That's what she said.
So I went ahead and pulled the other pillar off too, just so I can get to that side easier. Doesn't bother me because we're going to pull this headliner out and dye it also. It's a little too dingy looking. Okay guys, well I can't make this up, so I reached back there to try to undo the clip, and there's no clips there. Somebody's been in this truck messing around before and have just left hardware and everything off, and I guess they decided it was such a pain in the butt to get it off the first time, they just took the clips completely out. So this rear seat literally just sits down into that pocket. So this is what the clip looks like behind the seat. What you can do is reach down around the seat and then grab that with your fingers or with a screwdriver and push down on the seat itself and then pull it out. So yeah, anyways, let's pull this down. Right here's your box, and it'll tell you your code right there. Well guys, I hope this video helped you. I apologize I wasn't able to show you those clips on my own truck as they were missing. So hopefully this still helped you out. If you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and check out some of my other content.